Welcome, let's try to install OpenCart. Let's go to the Google.nl. Type here OpenCart. OpenCart. The first website, opencart.com. Download always the latest version. Downloads. Just wait. I have already on my desktop installation folder. Save it. It's downloading. Oh, it's already done. Here I have the folder. Extract. Extract here. Let's extract. No, I will make the video on pause. It will continue after some seconds. The extract is already done. This is the folder that I should upload on my hosting. Here I have already connected my hosting provider. Let's delete these two files. Delete. This is the folder. Uploads. Select all. Oh, sorry. Select all. It's uploading again. Let's pause some video. Continue later on. The uploading is already done. Let's go and visit the website. To It go automatically to the installation process. Continue. It says the file is missing. This file is missing. The file is here. Only we have to rename this file. Delete. That's it. And one more file is here. There are some files we need, or folders we need to give them permission to read and write. Let's go through it. 50 by 50, it's best like this, and let's do it like this. It's an images folder. We need 777. Okay. Cache folder. 777. Catalog folder. 777. Storage. Okay, let's go back. System. So there it is, system, and then it is storage. Properties. 777. Logs folder. Inside the storage, there is all folders we need to want. 2, 3, 777. Okay, those all files are done. Let's click on continued. It's still some missing. Unwritable. Oh yeah, we have to also give this two files the access to write. So that's it, and this file also. That's it. Let's try again. Yes, it's going. MySQL, the username. Let's make it full screen again. The username is install.underscore database. That's the name of my MySQL. The password, it's here. Copy. Paste the database name. install.nl_database, the port admin, the password for the admin users, the email address, and let's continue. We say it's already. Don't forget to delete the installation. Login as an administrator. Website. Now let's see the website. The website is already here. Now the website is already installed. That's it. And let's delete that installation folder. The installation folder is here. And you delete it. And it's done. That's it.